Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fluffy butter and FLOAM slimes. So let's just get right into this video. First, we are going to make fluffy slime. So the things you'll need are white school glue, I'm using Elmer's and this is 7 ounces, shaving foam, and some activator. I'm using Elmer's Magical Liquid, but you can use any activator you want. First, add your glue. You can add any amount you want, but I added about half a cup of glue. Next, add a cup of shaving foam. Next, mix both ingredients thoroughly. Your results should look something like this. Now add a teaspoon of activator. After mixing it up, add another teaspoon of activator. My slime was still a little too sticky, so I added my last teaspoon of activator. And this is how the finished slime looks like. This slime looks and feels like a cloud. It's so fluffy and fun to play with. So enjoy this ASMR. Next, I'll be showing you how to make butter slime. So the things you'll need are some school glue, some activator, I'm using Tide, and some clay. Make sure you are using air dry clay and not polymer clay. First, add your glue to a bowl. I added about half a cup of glue again. Next, add some activator. Now mix it up. If your slime is too runny, add some more activator. Make sure your slime is a little sticky, because adding the clay will help make your slime not be sticky. But if your slime was fully activated to begin with, before you add the clay, the end will be a hard butter slime, which we don't want, so make sure your slime is sticky to begin with. The clay is basically the key ingredient into turning this basic slime into amazing butter slime, so make sure to be generous with the clay. Mixing the clay in was probably the most satisfying part of this whole entire video, so I guarantee you will enjoy it as well. The end result should be a soft, sizzly, smooth butter slime that you'd want to play with all day. Last but not least, we're going to make some FLOAM slime. So you'll need white school glue, some activator, I'm using Tide again, and some FLOAM beads. I'm using colorful FLOAM beads, but the white ones will work just as great. So for making the base slime, all you need to do is follow the same steps as the butter slime base. Also, don't forget, this slime should be sticky as well, because we don't want any of the FLOAM beads to fall out. I'm using blue, yellow, green, and orange FLOAM beads. Now it's time to mix everything up and see the end results. My slime ended up being a little too sticky, so I'm adding some activator to fix it. Your results should be a super crunchy, bubbly FLOAM slime with no fallout. Alright, that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, hit that like button if you want to see more slime videos from my channel. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!